Hi guys, welcome back to Lila and Link. Today I'm going to show you how to DIY some water marble mugs. All the supplies I got were at the dollar store, so one mug literally cost me $2. I just got nail polish and the mugs here at the dollar store. They had seriously a ton of different colors.
So I was on Pinterest last night and I'd seen a really cute DIY marble mug that I wanted to try out. So this is going to be my very first time trying it out, so hopefully it turns out. So for this tutorial, all you are going to need is some white mugs, some nail polish, and you're going to want to use hot or warm water. The reason you're going to want to do that is because, I don't know actually, I can't remember. So it depends on how you want to do your cup. So I only want it to be halfway, but some people dip it in just like on the front or however you want to do it. I'm only going to do half of the cup because I want to do a design at the top and you'll see me do that. So I filled it up first to see if it's where I wanted it, and it's like about halfway, so that's what I want. So that's what I'm going to do. No, let that one go.
When you pour in your nail polish into the warm or hot water, you're going to want to do it in a circular motion. And then you're going to want to wait a couple seconds just so it can spread out a little bit in the water.
So I was going to do the pink first, and now I want to do the black. So when I put the pink in, you really have to work fast because it got really webby inside and you don't want it to do that. You're supposed to use like a toothpick, but I didn't have that. I had a straw, so I just quickly got it out. And give it a few to kind of spread out in the water. Few seconds, not minutes. And then you just dunk it in and pull it out. And it's supposed to give it like a marble effect. Actually, it turned out really cute. You can see it. I really like it. It turned out cute. Okay, and then I guess you just leave it to dry. It says overnight, but I'm gonna use a blow dryer.
For my second mug, I'm going to use 2 different color nail polish and see how it turns out. So again, I'm just doing it in a circular motion, and then I'm going to dip my cup. So for my third mug, I'm going to try to do a different method. Instead of just the half dipped, I'm going to try to dip the whole entire cup. And again, I'm going to use 2 color nail polishes for this one. I'm going to add more in because when I dipped it the first time, it kind of took up all that nail polish. I'm just adding more so I can re-dip the rest of the mug. As you can see, the first time I dipped this one, I did get a little bit on the inside. You don't really want that, so I'm going to have to use like nail polish remover to clean out all the nail polish that was on the inside and then wash it before I end up using it. This one did turn out kind of cool. I don't know if I'm a big fan of pink and black. I think next time I'm going to try to do silver and black and see how it turns out. So as you can see, I did record this video in sound. When I listened back to the video, all I could hear were my kids screaming in the background. So I ended up taking off the sound and just doing a voiceover. So if you're confused, that's why. So this is the end result of my mug. Like I said, I was going to be putting a decal at the top. I do have a vinyl cutter, so that's how I was able to do so. If you do not have one, you could always use a paint Sharpie. And then I heard that you can bake it in the oven. I don't exactly have the directions for that, so you're gonna have to look it up, but I know that is an option. I got engaged earlier this year, so I'm just gonna pause this for a second for ring appreciation. I would say this was a successful Pinterest project. It was really cheap, it was really easy, it was really quick. So probably can do this for like a teacher gift or a last minute gift or just a gift when you're broke and personalize it, or don't. I think it really looks cute how it is too. On the pin that I saw, they did coat theirs with a dishwasher safe sealer. I just left mine as is. I'm gonna hand wash it. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please comment and like our video and subscribe to our channel for more DIYs and family vlogs. If you end up trying this, please send me a picture. I want to see how yours turned out. I like that all of them turn out really unique. Send it to my Instagram. I will add it below.